World Health Day is observed annually on 7th April to commemorate the founding of the World Health Organization, WHO, in 1948. Each year, the day focuses on a specific health theme of global significance. In 2025, the theme is Healthy Beginnings, Hopeful Futures, emphasizing maternal and newborn health. This year's campaign aims to raise awareness about preventable maternal and newborn deaths and advocate for effective investments to improve the health of women and babies. The initiative encourages governments and health communities to prioritize women's long-term health and well-being. Tragically, nearly 300,000 women die each year due to pregnancy or childbirth complications. Additionally, over 2 million babies die in their first month of life, and around 2 million more are stillborn. This equates to approximately one preventable death every 7 seconds. The campaign underscores the importance of high-quality care before, during, and after birth. It highlights the need for health systems to address various health issues impacting maternal and newborn health, including mental health conditions, non-communicable diseases, and family planning. Investing in midwifery care models has been shown to improve survival rates while reducing preterm births and unnecessary medical interventions. Ensuring a sufficient number of well-trained midwives is a cost-effective strategy to enhance maternal and newborn health outcomes. Access to family planning is another critical component. Approximately 218 million women in low- and middle-income countries have an unmet need for modern contraception. Addressing this need can significantly reduce unintended pregnancies and related health risks. The campaign also emphasizes the importance of listening to women's concerns and meeting their needs, particularly in the postnatal period. Many women experience lasting health consequences after childbirth, making continued support essential for their well-being. Achieving the targets for reducing maternal and newborn mortality requires collective action from policymakers, health professionals, and communities. By focusing on high-impact investments and ensuring equitable access to quality care, it is possible to end preventable deaths and promote healthier futures. Individuals can participate in the campaign by spreading awareness using hashtags like #HopefulFutures and #HealthForAll, attending global events, donating to relevant causes, and sharing personal experiences related to pregnancy and childbirth. World Health Day 2025 serves as a reminder of the critical importance of maternal and newborn health. It calls for renewed commitment and action to ensure that every mother and child has the opportunity for a healthy beginning and a hopeful future.